Fantasy Mania. The Beginning. Chapter 21. As Artemis and Talon had began their way back, the young woman named Natalie had noticed them. She had seen them come out from within the castle. She asked how they were doing and had discussed about the king's missing soldiers. Artemis and Talon didn't hear anything about it until now. But from Natalie's source, the king is supposed to be heading out in a few days with his men to search for them. Artemis was thinking to himself how she could have obtained such information about the issue. But he knew it was none of his business. He then told her to not worry. Talon then asked her if she had any luck with finding her horse. She lowered her head in disappointment. Artemis put his hands on her arms and looked her in the eyes. He said not to worry. That if they happened to see it, that they would bring it to her. She thanked them and said she had to be on her way. She then headed to the market to seek food. Looking through the woods, Apollus could see people outside a small village. The village was called Descent. It was close to dark and knew they needed to act fast. Apollus had his men light up their torches and slowly surround the village. Deep down within himself, he knew it was wrong, but still had that fulfillment of revenge that wasn't satisfied. Soon Apollus raised his hand. Suddenly the men charged towards the defenseless village. Within minutes you could hear screams all around. The vile slash of swords hurting and killing many people. Some for the sake of survival, had agreed to join his army. And for each village they attacked, his army got bigger. But once they had left the village of Descent, an unusual presence appeared. It was a mist-like figure wearing a hood. It watched them leave. And soon it disappeared. What could this unusual being be? Find out later on in Fantasy Mania. The Beginning. To be continued.